Every home, cafe, and office begins its story with a seat. We sit to rest, to think, to work, to share meals and laughter. Chairs may seem ordinary, but they are among the most personal pieces of furniture anyone owns. They carry our weight, our moments, and our memories. And for woodworkers, they carry something else entirely, the promise of profit. A chair isn't just four legs and a seat, it's a perfect combination of balance, comfort, and craftsmanship, three elements that, when designed with purpose, can turn wood into a steady stream of income. When people buy a chair, they're not only buying comfort, they're buying design, emotion, and reliability. Every curve, every joint, and every smooth finish tells a story about the person who made it. And that story sells. The truth is, chairs never go out of demand. Whether rustic or modern, small or grand, the market for well-crafted wooden chairs is constant and strong. In this narration, we'll explore how you can blend artistry and entrepreneurship, how the simple act of shaping wood into a chair can lead to consistent income and long-term business growth. From design inspiration to production strategy, from ergonomic beauty to pricing power, you'll discover why chairs are among the smartest, most sustainable projects a woodworker can create. This isn't just about furniture, it's about crafting comfort that earns, style that sells, and work that continues to pay long after the sawdust settles. The wooden chair is a symbol of craftsmanship, timeless, adaptable, and endlessly profitable. For centuries, it has represented stability and hospitality, appearing in palaces, kitchens, schools, and cafes alike. Each era leaves its own mark on the design, but the essence remains: a well-made chair never loses its value. It's the furniture equivalent of a good investment, practical, beautiful, and built to last. In today's market, there's a growing appreciation for handmade wooden furniture. Mass-produced plastic and metal pieces may fill stores, but they lack warmth, soul, and individuality. Consumers crave authenticity, a piece that feels personal, tells a story, and connects them to craftsmanship. That's where you, the maker, come in. A handmade wooden chair stands out instantly because it carries the marks of human touch, the honesty of natural grain, and the comfort that only care can create. Design is the first step toward profit. The key to creating chairs that sell is finding the balance between aesthetics and function. A beautiful chair that's uncomfortable won't earn repeat customers. A comfortable chair that looks plain may fail to attract first-time buyers. The magic happens when design and comfort meet. Look for inspiration in simple shapes and natural ergonomics. Think about how the body moves, the curve of the backrest, the height of the seat, the angle of the legs. Every small detail you perfect becomes a selling point. For many makers, the most popular and profitable designs fall into three categories: dining chairs, lounge chairs, and accent chairs, each offering unique opportunities. Dining chairs are practical and often bought in sets, which means higher sales per customer. Lounge chairs are emotional purchases, people buy them for comfort, relaxation, or statement design. Accent chairs are style pieces that instantly transform a space. By diversifying across these categories, you build resilience into your income stream. Let's consider materials. The type of wood you choose can define both the quality and the price of your product. Hardwoods like oak, teak, ash, and walnut exude elegance and strength. They appeal to buyers who want luxury and longevity. Softer woods like pine or birch allow for affordability and experimentation. A smart strategy is to combine both: use premium wood for the seat and visible sections, and lighter, more affordable wood for hidden supports. This keeps production costs low without compromising quality. But beyond structure lies soul, the finish. How you sand, stain, and seal your chair determines its final value. A well-finished surface invites touch, catches light, and tells buyers that they're purchasing quality. Finishes can also define your brand identity: matte for minimalism, glossy for sophistication, and natural oils for an eco-friendly look. Never underestimate the selling power of finish quality. It can turn an average design into a piece of art. The beauty of chair making lies in its flexibility. You can craft a single custom order for a client or build a small batch of identical chairs for online or local sale. Scaling up doesn't mean losing craftsmanship, it means building systems. Jigs, templates, and repeatable measurements allow you to maintain precision while increasing productivity. The goal is to reach a point where each piece is handmade but consistent, so customers trust what they're buying. The financial advantage of wooden chairs is that they fit nearly every market segment. Small studios, urban apartments, restaurants, hotels, and even co-working spaces constantly seek well-crafted seating. If you align your designs with current interior trends, minimalist Scandinavian lines, Japanese Zen simplicity, or rustic farmhouse warmth, your products will attract both private and commercial buyers. You can even create limited editions, naming each design to build recognition. Let's talk numbers for a moment, because understanding cost versus value transforms a hobby into a business. A simple wooden chair might cost you modest materials and a few hours of labor, but with good photography and branding, it can retail for several times the production cost. The secret is storytelling. When you share the story behind each piece, the type of wood, the hand finishing process, the local inspiration, customers perceive greater value. They aren't buying a chair, they're buying craftsmanship, authenticity, and emotion. That perception builds profit. Marketing in today's era of social media is both simple and powerful. Show your chairs in lifestyle settings, around a wooden table bathed in morning light, by a window with soft shadows, or beside a desk with natural decor. Visuals sell comfort. Tell your audience what inspired each design: a sunrise over the forest, the curve of a leaf, the texture of aged timber. The more human your story, the stronger your connection with buyers. Don't forget repeat customers. Offer matching stools, benches, or tables to complement your chair designs. Bundles bring bigger orders, and loyalty grows when buyers know they can return to you for coordinated pieces. Many successful artisans build their entire income around returning clients who trust their craftsmanship and consistency. For beginners, starting small is wise. At the end of every project, when you wipe the final coat of oil and watch the grain glow under the light, you realize that each chair you craft is more than a product, it's a promise. A promise of comfort to the person who sits on it, and a promise of purpose to you, the maker. Chairs teach us that stability is built, not given, both in craftsmanship and in life. If you ever doubt whether your creations can bring consistent income, remember this simple truth: the world will always need a good place to sit. People will always search for chairs that feel right, that blend comfort and beauty, that tell stories of care and dedication. When your work delivers that, profit follows naturally, because quality never goes unnoticed. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.